Brooke digging in the sand. What are you doing? Oh, you think it's funny, don't you? And our neighbors are playing for Elise. What are you doing, Brooke? Can you sit? Sit. Hey, Brooke. Sit. Brookie. Brookie. Okay, I don't know what she's doing, but oh well.